Dad. Look! Look! Something shiny is under the puppy. Dad, your car is in the garage, right?
Yes, but I need my laptop too now.
Mommy, Biscuit is a good dog, right?
Yes, Lily, Biscuit is a very good dog. He protected a little puppy who needed help.
Mom, I am ready for school today.
Wow, Liam, you are very fast today.
Mommy, can Biscuit eat breakfast too?
No, Lily, Biscuit eats dog food, not pancakes.
Look! Biscuit is hiding under the table again.
That dog hides everywhere in this house.
He likes to hide his toys too. Biscuit is a funny doggy. He hides everything.
You are right, Lily. He hides everything. I have a big meeting today at work.
A big meeting? What time is it?
The meeting starts in 1 hour, Sarah.
1 hour? That is very soon, James.
I know. I need to leave very soon.
Dad, is this meeting very important?
Yes, Liam.
This meeting is very important.
My boss will be there. Okay, family. I need my car keys now.
Your keys are always on the table.
Yes, you are right. They are always there. Wait, where are my keys?
What do you mean, James?
My keys are not on the table.
Oh no, the keys are really gone. Maybe Biscuit took them, Daddy.
Biscuit? Don't be silly, Lily.
Let's not panic. Let's just look around.
Okay, we will find them. No problem.
Not in my pockets either. This is strange. Dad, your face looks worried right now. I am a little worried, Liam. Just a little. Not on the counter. Not in the kitchen.
Look, Biscuit is running so fast today.
That dog is acting very strange today.
Something is not right here. I can feel it.
Let's check under the sofa cushions.
Good idea, Sarah. I will check there.
Nothing here. No keys under these cushions.
Dad, let me check behind the TV.
Okay, Liam. Go check behind the TV.
Nothing here, Dad. Just dust and a sock.
A sock? How did a sock get there?
Maybe Biscuit put the sock there too. Lily, why do you keep blaming Biscuit? Because Biscuit likes to hide things, Mommy.
Wait. Lily might be right about this.
You think Biscuit really took your keys?
Dogs do strange things sometimes, Sarah. What was that sound?
It was so loud!
Everyone, into the kitchen!
Let's go!
Biscuit, what have you done?
No way.
Whoa. Biscuit, no.
Biscuit, get down from the table now.
Biscuit! That cake was for Grandma's visit. Look at his face. It is so funny.
Biscuit, you are a very naughty dog today. Woof woof. Biscuit, come back here. Woof woof. That is my Biscuit sound.
Liam, that sound is so funny. Do it again. Woof woof. See? I sound just like him.
Okay, family. Funny moment is over now. We really need to find my keys. Only 45 minutes left before my meeting.
45 minutes? James, we need to hurry. Did you see that? Biscuit looked at us.
Yes, I saw that. That was strange.
Maybe Biscuit wants us to follow him.
Liam, dogs don't think like that. But Mom, in movies, dogs are very smart.
Looks like my phone battery is getting pretty low.
We'll figure it out together.
It's been an unexpected day, but we'll manage. Mr. Peterson? Are you home? I need help. It looks like they're not home right now. We'll need another plan.
Don't worry, James. We will find a way.
Thank you, Sarah. I hope you are right.
Daddy, look! Biscuit is at that corner again. Oh, I see him, honey. He's back.
That is the third time he stood there.
Maybe Lily and Liam are right about Biscuit.
But why does he keep going to that corner?
Wait for us, Biscuit. We are coming.
There you are!
Oh.
Biscuit, look what we brought!
This corner is very messy, isn't it?
Yes, we never clean this corner enough.
Daddy, I see something moving under here. Moving?
Lily, be careful. Step back, please.
Oh, hello there. A puppy.
Wow, look at him.
He's so tiny.
Oh, he's perfect.
A puppy? There is a puppy in here.
Oh my goodness. Where did this puppy come from? Hello, little puppy. Don't be scared, okay?
You're such a good boy. Are you happy, little guy?
This is unexpected. A puppy in our house?
He must have come in last night somehow.
But how? All our doors were locked.
Maybe the back door was open a little.
That could be true, Liam. Good thinking. But wait, this still doesn't explain my keys.
Look, Daddy. Biscuit was protecting the puppy.
That is so sweet, actually. Biscuit is kind.
Yeah, he is.
Sweet, yes. But where are my keys?
Dad! Look! Something shiny is under the puppy.
My keys. Those are my car keys.
How did your keys get under the puppy?
Got him. Got him. I finally found my keys. Oh no, my phone. It just died completely.
James, what time is your meeting again?
It starts in 20 minutes, Sarah. 20 minutes.
Dad, your car is in the garage, right?
Yes, but I need my laptop too now.
Daddy, are you okay? That looked painful.
I am okay, Lily. Just a little dizzy.
James, you cannot drive like this. You are shaking.
I have to try, Sarah. I have no choice.
Wait, let's think about this together, okay?
Okay. You are right. Let's think first.
Dad, can you join the meeting from home?
From home? How would I do that, Liam?
Use your laptop, like a video call.
Okay, let me try this. Wish me luck.
Wait. The puppy is running away again.
Look out! It's the puppy!
He's on the table.
Oh my gosh, so cute!
Oh no. He is right next to Dad's laptop.
Wait. Is the meeting already starting now? James? Are you there? Can you hear me? Oh no. My boss can see everything right now. James, is that a puppy on your table?
James, just be honest. Tell him what happened.
Yes, sir. This morning was very difficult for me. My dog ate cake, and I lost my keys. Then we found a puppy hiding in our house.
Is Dad going to lose his job? I don't know, Liam. I am scared too.
James. That is the funniest morning I've heard. Sir? Are you laughing right now? Yes, James. This puppy is absolutely adorable.
Oh, isn't he just adorable?
I can't believe he did that.
Look at him, he's so fluffy.
I am so sorry for this strange morning, sir. Don't apologize, James. Family comes first, always. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me. This morning, I almost forgot something important. I almost forgot why I work so hard. I work hard for you. All of you. Like my keys. Like my time with family.
Hello there, boy. Did you have a good day? No. Good boy. Come here.
And you, Biscuit. You tried to tell us. You knew the puppy needed help all along.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to
I'll always be here for you, Dad.
Thank you, son. That means a lot. James, take the rest of the day off. Sir? Are you sure about that? Yeah. Yes. Go be with your family today.
Magka-fast-grunda griseidas. Away namin sa teorya sa gymnast.
Did that really just happen?
Yes, James. It really did happen.
Daddy, can we keep the little puppy?
Well, Lily, that is a big decision.
We should think about this together, as a family.
I think Biscuit wants a little brother.
See? Biscuit said yes. He really did.
Okay. We can keep the puppy.
Yay! Thank you, Daddy. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, sweetie.
I love it.
We're glad you do.
What should we name our new puppy?
How about Detective? He found Dad's keys.
Detective? That is actually a perfect name.
Hi, Detective. Welcome to our family forever.
Today started so badly, but ended so well.
That is how life works sometimes, James.
I learned something important today, Sarah.
What did you learn exactly?
I learned that small problems can teach big lessons. My keys got lost, but we found more. We found a new puppy. We found patience. We found out my boss truly understands family. Dad, were you really scared today?
Yes, Liam. I was scared and worried.
But being scared together made us stronger.
Mommy, Biscuit is a good dog, right?
Yes, Lily, Biscuit is a very good dog. He protected a little puppy who needed help.
And he tried to show us where to look. You know, this morning I almost gave up. I almost ran to my car, alone, worried.
That is what family does, James. We help.
I am very grateful for all of you. Liam, your idea saved my whole meeting today.
I just wanted to help you, Dad.
And Lily, you believed in Biscuit from the start.
I just knew Biscuit was a smart doggy.
Sarah, you helped keep everyone calm.
We make a pretty good team, don't we?
We really do.
Look at them! They're so happy! Biscuit, come here! They love playing with you two. Woof, woof! Even I sound like them now.
Today taught us patience, teamwork, and love. Sometimes lost things lead to wonderful surprises. Hello, friends watching our family today. Have you ever lost something important, like keys? Did losing it teach you something special too? Tell us your story in the comments below.
And have you ever found a surprise pet? Maybe a stray animal that needed your help? I'm the Embry Prychin. Frinnis. We would love to hear your story too.
Bye-bye, friends. Thank you for watching us.
Woof woof. See you next time, everyone.
Bye now.
We'll see you again soon.
Come visit us, please.
Remember, family is the most important thing.
And sometimes, the best things come from small problems.
Good night, everyone. See you in our next story.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, friends.